Hello, today we will guide you through how to draw a use case diagram in Lucidchart. To get started, open Lucidchart and go to your Documents page. This is your main workspace where you can create and manage files, so it's the right place to begin if you want to build a new diagram from scratch. Once you're on the Documents page, click on New. This opens the creation options and lets you choose what kind of file you want to make. For this walkthrough, we'll keep it simple and start with a blank canvas so you have full control over your use case diagram. Next, click on Blank Document. This will open a new Lucidchart file where you can begin setting up your diagram. Starting with a blank document is useful because it gives you a clean workspace without any pre-built elements getting in the way. When the editor opens, move to the search area at the top left. Click into that search bar. This is where you can quickly look for diagram types, shapes, or tools that help you build what you need without manually browsing through menus. In the search field, enter Use Case Diagram. If you notice any spelling issues while typing, just correct them as needed so the platform can return the most relevant result. Searching this way helps Lucidchart surface the right diagram support more quickly, which can save time if you already know what you want to create. There is also another option available if you prefer a faster or more guided setup. You can use AI instead. This can be especially helpful if you want Lucidchart to help generate a starting point for your use case diagram rather than building every element manually. To do that, click on AI at the top left of the editor. This opens Lucidchart's AI-assisted creation tools. From here, you can let the platform help structure your diagram based on a prompt. After opening the AI tool, generate a sample prompt. This gives you a template or example to work from, which can make it easier to understand the kind of input the system expects. It's a helpful way to get started if you're not sure how to describe your use case diagram yet. Finally, follow the on-screen procedure. At this stage, Lucidchart will guide you through the remaining steps based on the prompt and options shown in the interface. Take your time to review what appears on screen so the generated result matches the diagram you want to create. And that's how to begin drawing a use case diagram in Lucidchart, whether you choose the manual search method or the AI-assisted approach.